In today's digital age, investing in cryptocurrency has become an exciting opportunity for many, even for those with a limited budget. If you've ever thought about diving into the world of crypto but felt held back by financial constraints, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how you can start investing in cryptocurrency with just $100. You'll learn about the basics of crypto, the different types of currencies available, and how to choose the right platform for your investments. Understanding crypto investments is crucial, especially for beginners. With the market's volatility and the plethora of options available, having a solid foundation can make all the difference. We'll discuss strategies to maximize your investment, the importance of research, and how to manage risks effectively. By the end of this video, you'll feel empowered to take your first steps into the crypto world, armed with knowledge and confidence. So, whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or simply curious about digital currencies, stick around as we break down the essentials of investing in cryptocurrency on a budget. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it difficult to counterfeit. One of its defining features is its decentralized nature, meaning it operates independently of a central authority, such as a government or financial institution. This decentralization is made possible through blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is securely linked to the previous one, ensuring transparency and reducing the risk of fraud. In the financial world, cryptocurrencies have gained significant attention due to their potential to revolutionize traditional banking and payment systems. They offer benefits such as lower transaction fees, faster cross-border payments, and increased accessibility for individuals who may not have access to conventional banking services. However, investing in cryptocurrencies also comes with risks. The market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. Additionally, the lack of regulation can expose investors to scams and security breaches. Understanding both the potential rewards and risks is crucial for anyone considering entering the cryptocurrency market, especially for beginners looking to make informed investment decisions. Choosing the right cryptocurrency. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, selecting the right ones can significantly impact your potential returns. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, while Ethereum offers a platform for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Litecoin, on the other hand, is designed for faster transactions and lower fees, making it a popular choice for everyday use. To choose the best cryptocurrencies for your investment, it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis. Start by examining the project's white paper, which outlines its purpose, technology, and roadmap. Look into the team behind the cryptocurrency, their experience, and community support. Additionally, consider market trends, such as price movements and trading volumes, to gauge investor interest and sentiment. Diversification is also crucial in cryptocurrency investing. Just like in traditional investing, spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate risks. By diversifying, you can balance potential losses in one asset with gains in another, ultimately leading to a more stable investment portfolio. Remember, informed decisions are key to navigating the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies successfully. Setting up a crypto wallet. Setting up a secure cryptocurrency wallet is a crucial step in your investment journey. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for frequent transactions, but more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline storage solutions, such as hardware wallets or paper wallets, providing enhanced security for long-term holdings. To create a wallet, Start by choosing the type that best suits your needs. For a hot wallet, download a reputable wallet app or create an account on a trusted exchange. Follow the app's instructions to set up your account, which typically involves providing an email address and creating a strong password. For a cold wallet, purchase a hardware wallet from a reliable manufacturer and follow their setup guide to initialize it. Regardless of the wallet type, security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication and keep your recovery phrase secure and private. Regularly back up your wallet to ensure you can access your funds in case of device loss or failure. By prioritizing security and backup, you can protect your cryptocurrency investments and enjoy peace of mind. Buying cryptocurrency. Purchasing cryptocurrency with a budget of $100 is a straightforward process, especially with popular exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. These platforms are user-friendly and cater to beginners, making them ideal for your first investment. To get started, create an account on your chosen exchange. Visit the website or download the app, then click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. After that, you'll go through a verification process, which typically involves submitting identification documents like a driver's license or passport. This step is crucial for complying with regulations and ensuring the security of your account. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds. Most exchanges allow you to link your bank account or use a debit card for quick transactions. Be mindful of transaction fees, which can vary between exchanges and payment methods. After funding your account, navigate to the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest, up to $100, and confirm the transaction. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to owning your first cryptocurrency, ready to explore the exciting world of digital assets. Managing your investment. Effectively managing and monitoring your cryptocurrency investments is essential for long-term success. One of the first steps is to track market performance regularly. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, so staying informed about market trends and news can help you make timely decisions. To simplify this process, consider using portfolio management tools and apps like Blockfolio or CoinMarketCap. These platforms allow you to track your investments in real time, view price changes, and analyze your portfolio's performance. Many of these tools also provide alerts for significant market movements, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Setting clear investment goals and strategies is equally important. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments, whether it's short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation. Establishing a strategy can help you navigate market fluctuations and avoid emotional decision-making. For instance, you might decide to set a target price for selling or a specific percentage of your portfolio to allocate to different cryptocurrencies. By actively managing your investments, utilizing the right tools, and having a clear strategy, you can enhance your chances of success in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Remember, informed and disciplined investing is key to achieving your financial goals. Understanding risks and rewards. Investing in cryptocurrency can be both exciting and daunting, primarily due to its inherent risks and rewards. One of the most significant factors to consider is market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate dramatically within short periods, influenced by various factors such as market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments. This volatility can lead to substantial gains, but it also poses a risk of significant losses. The potential for high returns is one of the main attractions of crypto investing. Many early investors in Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen their investments multiply exponentially. However, it's essential to balance this potential with the understanding that the same market dynamics can lead to steep declines. For every success story, there are also instances of investors losing a considerable portion of their capital. To navigate this landscape responsibly, it's crucial to adopt risk management strategies. Diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate losses, as spreading investments across different cryptocurrencies reduces the impact of a downturn in any single asset. Additionally, setting clear investment goals and sticking to a budget can prevent emotional decision-making. By understanding the risks and rewards, you can make informed choices that align with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. In this video, we've explored the essential steps for investing in cryptocurrency with just $100. We began by understanding what cryptocurrency is and its significance in the financial world. Then, we discussed how to choose the right cryptocurrencies, set up a secure wallet, and navigate popular exchanges like Coinbase and Binance to make your first purchase. We also highlighted the importance of managing your investments by tracking market performance and utilizing portfolio management tools. Additionally, we delved into the risks and rewards associated with crypto investing, emphasizing the need for responsible investing and effective risk management strategies. As you embark on your cryptocurrency journey, remember that continuous learning and research are vital. The crypto landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed will help you make better investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Fundamental Finances for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in cryptocurrency. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources for you. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.